Dear viewers, today our topic is various methods of educational psychology. First of all, we will read about methods of educational psychology. Educational psychology is a branch of psychology that studies how individuals learn and develop in educational settings. Specifically, how students learn and develop in educational environments such as classrooms or online platforms. Educational psychology employs several methods to study and understand human learning and development, including first is experimental method, manipulating independent variables to observe their effect on dependent variables. Second one is survey method, gathering information through self-report, questionnaires, or interviews. Third one is naturalistic observation, observing behavior in real world settings without manipulation, case study, and in depth examination of an individual or group. Fourth one is correlation study, examining the relationship between two or more variables. Fifth one is cross sectional study, comparing individuals of different ages at a single point in time. Sixth one is action research, collaborative study of a phenomenon, often with the goal of affecting change.